Good morning. As you can see, this EA960R4 commotion LED billboard has just undergone waterproofing and aging test. And this is a fixed and rental L3 suitable for indoor and outdoor use, which is keeping it from the heavy rain and strong winds because it is a magnetic alloy KC design, which is sturdy and durable. To make assembly even faster, we also added a quick lock design on the left and top. Don't worry if your LED3 has a problem. The back cover can be easily opened and maintenance performed using the triangular wrench. EA960's R4 commotion LED display billboard adopts a modular design, and each component can be replaced. We also provided pre-drilled holes for connecting power and signal cables. You just need to thread the lines through here. EA960's R4 commotion LED display is widely used in commotion activities. And it is excellent for indoor and outdoor use. If you're interested in this LED display, please contact Judy. I'm waiting for you. Bye!